friends, I am Venom. Today I will let you know about my science project, which is smoke observer. So let's start with the descriptions of my model. The materials which I have used are one plastic bottle, one switch, cardboard, cardboard roll of aluminium foil, wires, hot glue gun, two 9-voltage batteries, two DC motors, two mini fans, two small boxes. Now let's talk about the model principle. Basically, the work of a smoke observer is to filter the interior air by removing the airborne grease, bacterial fumes, heat, bad odor, combustion products, and steam to the external environment. Now I will show you how it works. Now I will show you the interior parts of my model. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed.